Why don't free grab bars for seniors ever play hide and seek? Because they always get caught hanging around. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on free grab bars for seniors. Tip 1. Understand the importance of grab bars. Seniors should understand the significance of grab bars in preventing falls, providing support and stability. It allows one to use the bathroom conveniently and safely, especially for seniors who have mobility issues. Installing grab bars in strategic positions within your home or bathroom will provide additional security. Tip 2. Identifying free sources. Seniors or their caregivers should look out for opportunities where they can get free grab bars. In some regions, local government and non-profit organizations offer free or discounted grab bars for seniors. Information can be obtained from social workers, community centers, senior organizations, or online resources. Tip 3. Explore insurance coverage. Sometimes, health insurance companies or social service programs may cover the cost of a grab bar for seniors. It's necessary to check with your insurance provider to see if they cover this type of safety equipment. Tip 4. Choose the right type and design. There are varieties of grab bars designed for different purposes and spaces. Some are created for bathtubs, shower stalls, and near the toilet. Seniors should choose the one that fits their needs best. Talk to a professional or healthcare provider if you are unsure about the type of grab bar you require. Tip 5. Proper installation of grab bars. Ensuring grab bars are installed securely and correctly is crucial. Poorly mounted grab bars can cause more harm than good, leading to falls and injuries. Hence, seek professional help when installing grab bars to ensure they can effectively support weight and provide stability. Tip 6. Care and maintenance. Clean and maintain your grab bars regularly to ensure they remain functional and safe. Check them for any wear and tear, as it may jeopardize their effectiveness. Tip 7. Check local building codes and regulations. Before installing grab bars, check local building rules and regulations. Some locales may have specific regulations concerning the installation of grab bars and other safety features. Tip 8. Understand weight limits. Different grab bars come with different weight limits. Ensure you choose a grab bar that can hold up to your body weight. Overloading the grab bar increases the risk of an accident. Tip 9. Utilize community services. Many communities have programs specifically designed to help seniors live comfortably in their homes, and this sometimes includes installing necessary safety features. Be sure to take advantage of these services if they're available in your area. Tip 10. Attend home safety workshops. Workshops or seminars, organized by various organizations, offer tips and advice about home safety for seniors. These workshops may provide information on how to get free grab bars and other safety options. Tip 11. Visit online marketplaces. Last but not least, visit online marketplaces such as eBay, Amazon, or Craigslist. There you might find free or reduced price grab bars. Always check the product's quality and seller's reviews before purchasing.